Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying for another exciting hardware countdown. Today we are diving into the world of stunning aesthetics and superior airflow as we take a closer look at the top 5 best PC case with full-view tempered glass. If you want to transform your desktop into a visual masterpiece while keeping your components cool, you have come to the right place, here at Budget Buying. We have selected these chassis based on their design, cooling potential, and build quality. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Kediers P6 PC case with full-view tempered glass. The Kediers P6 PC case is a mid-tower chassis that has been meticulously designed to harmonize striking visual aesthetics with highly practical functionality for modern builders. Its standout feature is undoubtedly the 270-degree panoramic view, which utilizes fully tempered glass on both the front and sides. This design is accentuated by unique diamond-cut angles, creating a crystal-clear and visually captivating display of your internal hardware, making it a perfect centerpiece for both professional office environments and high-end gaming setups. Constructed with an exquisite 1.2mm steel mesh, the P6 is engineered to significantly improve airflow and heat dissipation. This material choice provides superior dust resistance compared to standard 3.0mm mesh panels found in other cases. The finely crafted mesh ensures that cooling remains efficient without compromising the structural durability of the case, making it adaptable for a wide variety of system builds. Maintenance and accessibility are key components of the P6's architecture. It features quick-release panels that allow the side glass to be removed easily and safely. This is achieved through a rivet-mounted mechanism that drastically reduces the risk of accidental breakage, thereby simplifying the maintenance process for users. Cooling and lighting are absolutely central to the P6's overall design philosophy. The case arrives pre-installed with 5 adjustable ARGB fans, which boast anti-vortex blades specifically shaped to optimize airflow and maintain stable internal temperatures. Users have full control over fan speeds and lighting effects via motherboard software, unlocking a realm of customizable modes and vibrant visual effects that are sure to delight gaming enthusiasts. Furthermore, cable management is streamlined with a single connection point for all 5 fans and ample space behind the motherboard tray to conceal cables, reducing clutter and maintaining a clean airflow path. The upgraded I/O panel features high-speed Type-C ports, a reset button, and audio interfaces for easy connectivity. With a spacious interior supporting over 98% of ATX builds, including room for 360mm radiators and multiple drives, the Kediers P6 offers an all-in-one solution for a visually striking and efficiently cooled system. Coming in at number 4, the Vetroo AL900 PC case with full-view tempered glass. The Vetroo AL900 PC case is designed to redefine the way enthusiasts showcase their high-performance hardware through its immersive 270-degree full-view tempered glass design. This expansive glass layout provides a completely panoramic display of your internal components, ensuring that every RGB-lit fan and sleek hardware element is highly visible from almost any angle. It effectively transforms a standard PC build into a stunning visual centerpiece where lighting effects and component aesthetics can be fully appreciated. Inside the chassis, the AL900 introduces an innovative YTX interior design, which is engineered to streamline the assembly process. This design facilitates hidden connector motherboard installations and promotes efficient cable management. Such an approach not only simplifies the building and upgrading experience, but also keeps the internal layout incredibly neat and visually appealing, ensuring that airflow remains optimal for high-performance systems that require consistent cooling. In terms of compatibility, the AL900 is incredibly versatile, supporting ATX, MATX, and YTX motherboards. Its spacious interior is built to accommodate massive GPUs up to 410 millimeters in length and power supplies up to 200 millimeters, making it ready for all modern graphics cards, including the powerful RTX 50 and RX 9000 series models. Cooling options are abundant within this chassis, with support for up to 360mm liquid cooling radiators at the top and the capacity to house up to 10 120mm fans. This allows for extensive thermal optimization, which is critical for high-demand gaming and productivity setups. Connectivity is another major highlight of the AL900, featuring a front I/O panel that includes a high-speed Type-C port alongside USB 3.0 and additional interfaces. This enables seamless connection to modern peripherals with transfer rates reaching up to 10 gigabits per second, ensuring that data-intensive tasks are handled swiftly. By minimizing wait times during large file transfers or system updates, the Vetroo AL900 blends aesthetic elegance with cutting-edge functionality, offering a premium solution for builders seeking visual impact and high-performance support. At number 3, we have the Montech XR-B PC case with full-view tempered glass. The Montech XR-B PC case with full-view tempered glass is a chassis that effortlessly combines style, functionality, and performance into a compact design specifically tailored for gamers and PC enthusiasts. One of its most distinctive features is the mature wood-grain I/O interface, which introduces a touch of natural elegance to any computer setup. This unique design element offers seamless access to essential ports while simultaneously elevating the overall aesthetic of your workspace, blending technology with organic style. Despite its relatively modest footprint, the XR-B is engineered to handle high-performance hardware without breaking a sweat. It is fully capable of accommodating a 360mm radiator at the top and has enough internal clearance to house powerful graphics cards, including high-end 40 series GPUs. The case's internal layout is designed to ensure exceptional compatibility, allowing users to build a robust and powerful system without having to compromise on component selection due to space constraints. Cooling and airflow are placed at the forefront of the XR-B's design philosophy. The case comes equipped with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans right out of the box. These include 2 reverse blade side fans and a regular blade rear fan, each capable of spinning up to 1500 RPM to drive significant air movement. The case supports a total of up to 9 fans, offering users complete control over their airflow configuration to maintain optimal system temperatures during intense workloads. Maintenance and cleanliness are also carefully considered in this design. High-quality dust filters cover the top, bottom, and side panels, effectively preventing debris from entering the system while ensuring efficient heat dissipation. This combination of airflow optimization and comprehensive filtration allows for sustained performance, even under demanding conditions. Overall, the Montech XR-B merges sophisticated design with versatile functionality, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a compact yet capable chassis with advanced cooling solutions and meticulous attention to detail. Next up at number 2 is the Musetex Y6 PC case with full-view tempered glass. The Musetex Y6 PC case redefines the gaming and DIY PC experience with a striking design and highly practical engineering. Featuring a mysterious black matte finish, the Y6 is equipped with 270-degree, fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels that provide a sweeping panoramic view of your components. This expansive display does more than just highlight high-end hardware. It allows users to showcase personal touches, ranging from custom cooling setups to collectible figurines, creating a visually immersive setup that is sure to draw admiration from friends and fellow enthusiasts. Internally, the Y6 is designed with a thoughtful tower layout that maximizes both space and airflow. Its dual-chamber configuration separates key components, which optimizes thermal performance while keeping cables neatly managed and out of sight. The case supports GPUs up to 400 mm, CPU coolers up to 176 mm in height, and top-mounted liquid coolers up to 360 mm, providing robust compatibility with the latest mainstream hardware. The snap-on panel design allows for easy tool-free installation, making upgrades and assembly a much smoother process for DIY builders who value convenience. Connectivity is enhanced with a variety of high-speed interfaces, including USB 3.2 Type-C, USB 3.0, and additional ports, enabling rapid data transfer and convenient device connectivity. This ensures that peripherals, external storage, and modern devices integrate seamlessly with your setup. Cooling and maintenance have been carefully considered in the Y6. Three 120mm fans come pre-installed, and the power supply compartment features an independent ventilation channel to keep the PSU running cool. Magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom prevent dust buildup while maintaining effective airflow. The tempered glass panels provide durability, sound insulation, and a sleek, elegant look, blending practical functionality with aesthetic appeal. Compact yet stylish, the mid-tower Y6 balances form and function, delivering a gaming environment that is both efficient and visually striking. Finally, at number 1, we have the Darkflash DS900 PC case with full-view tempered glass. The Darkflash DS900 PC case redefines the PC building experience with its striking design and advanced functionality. Featuring a 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel, it offers an expansive view of your internal components, showcasing your hardware and RGB lighting with exceptional clarity and durability. This full-view design not only enhances aesthetics, but also allows you to appreciate every detail of your build, from the motherboard to the cooling tubes. Connectivity is seamless thanks to an upgraded high-speed I/O panel that includes USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C interface. These options enable fast data transfer and broad device compatibility, ensuring that your setup remains modern and efficient for all your peripheral needs. Cooling performance is a core focus of the DS900, ensuring your high-end parts stay within safe thermal limits. Equipped with 4 PWM ARGB fans, the case supports up to 10 fans in total and a 360mm radiator, guaranteeing optimal airflow and heat dissipation. Even during intense gaming sessions or demanding productivity tasks, your components remain cool, allowing your system to maintain peak performance without thermal throttling. The case's thoughtful design details elevate usability and maintenance for the user. A magnetic top dust filter and panel dust filters minimize dust accumulation inside the chassis, while the anti-slip bottom structure keeps the case secure on any surface. Every aspect is designed with practicality in mind, making this case suitable for both aesthetics and functionality. Installation is simplified through user-friendly engineering, providing easy access to components and efficient cable management. Builders can enjoy a smooth assembly process and hassle-free upgrades, ensuring that maintaining and enhancing the PC is effortless. The Darkflash DS900 combines cutting-edge design with high-performance features, creating a case that is visually stunning and functionally superior. And that wraps up our list of the most stunning chassis options to elevate your setup's look and performance. Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on these cases. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more top-tier hardware reviews. Thanks for watching.